Okay, so on Karen's hair, which again is very fine and soft, she's got a lot of hair, but it's fine, soft, and very slippery. That's a good word for it, is slippery. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking her banana comb. Now you've seen us do the demos of banana combs going vertical. I'm just going to show that the same banana comb, I'm going to take one, I know this is going to be harder to see. I'm taking one comb, and instead of going vertical, I'm going horizontal. So I'm going at the top of her hair. You can wear this as a crown. You'll see a lot of our videos where we're doing that often, and where customers have sent in things, and they're almost like little tiaras when you wear them this way. All I'm doing now is I'm activating the stretch, which is underneath here, which is underneath all your gorgeous hair, Karen. I'm stretching it. I'm bringing it up on the other side, and now here's where the holding band is, and here's where the pearl piece goes right over the pearl piece. And all I'm doing is I'm going to level it out a little bit, give it a little bit of boof, and now essentially Karen's got a look that's not vertical. Sometimes people ask us if they can just wear their HairZings, especially their banana combs, in different ways. Yes, you can wear them on the side of your head. You can wear them horizontal. You can wear them vertical. They're gonna conform to wherever you want to put them. When you go to take it out, just pull the band. Again, remember this is the jaw clip. So you're gonna open it like a jaw clip, and you want to make sure that you're pulling it away from your hair. You don't want the comb getting all tangled up in your hair. So there's no magic. There's no edits on that. It's just you being able to take your hair out anytime that you want. And that is, that's that. Not a very good ending line, but it's okay. Okay.